Hi everybody, I'm Charvick and today I'm going to make ice cream with Ziploc bags. So for this you will need ice, sugar, coarse salt, milk, vanilla essence and a small and big Ziploc bag. So first put 5 spoons of sugar into the milk. And then add a few drops of vanilla essence. Now mix it well. Now let's pour the mixture into the small Ziploc bag. Now seal the Ziploc bag tightly. Now in the big Ziploc bag, we have to put the ice and coarse salt. Now add the coarse salt. Now close the Ziploc bag and shake it. Open it and put the other Ziploc bag inside the big one. Now it has been ready, so now you have to shake it. Now let's open it and check if it has turned into ice cream yet. As you can see, it is solidified a little bit. So let's check it more. Now let's open it again. Now it has finally turned into ice cream. Let's open it and take a look. It is turned. Let's taste it. Wow, it's so creamy. I didn't expect it to be like this. Thank you.